Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or off tamper protections in Windows Security or Windows Defender on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So, tamper protections is a built-in features in Windows Security, helps prevent malicious apps from changing important Microsoft Defender Antivirus settings, including real-time protections and cloud-delivered protections. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu. And then next, icon na mo na i-type yung Windows Security. And then click mo lang to open. So dito sa Windows Security and then dito sa Home. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang itap tong virus and threat protection. So i-click mo lang ito. And then next step ay, scroll down at dito lang sa virus threat protection settings. And then, i-click mo lang itong manage settings. And then next step dito sa manage settings. And then scroll down. And then ito na siya. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung tamper protections. So prevents other from tampering with important security features. Kung paano ba natin ito turn on or off. So click mo lang itong button niya or itoggle on mo siya or toggle off. Ganito siya. Right? So once naka-turn off, so tamper protection is off, your device may be vulnerable. Okay? So click mo lang itong button niya mga kaibigan. Ganito siya. Alright? So ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-turn on or off ang tamper protections in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.